Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College. Let's take a little look at the euro dollar because this setup came together so nicely. We're also going to look at the stock market indices as well. Just on the right hand side here, we've got our pro trend system, strategy system here running very nicely. We had a nice buy signal down at these lows here at 99.33ish. It's up 395 pips. So if it's green, it's making money. If it's red, it's currently in the negative. But very nice trade, nearly 400, well, it's been up 400 points since this signal down here. We knew it was coming. We had a couple of false dawns. This one was a decent trade, went up for about 2 weeks. But it was this one where the storyteller started to change from downward histograms to pointing upwards, which was a really nice move. Pound US dollar, you can see it working here in real time. This is the P&L here on the right hand side, 506 pips in 5 days. Dollar yen short, it's given us new short signals, 62 pips profit, and this euro yen long trade's been up, or is up 427 pips. You can see it changing here in real time. So some very nice trades in the currency pairs. I don't always want to stick to the currency pairs. We'll show you some indices in 1 second, but to really get a feel for this euro trade, what I was looking at, I had to go to a bigger time frame. If we go up to the weekly chart, you can see here on our storyteller indicator, which is down below here, and our flagship pro trade system, which was red, all the way down besides this series of greens. Then we got our new red, and then this big move down. But really we were on the lookout because the storyteller can only go so far with momentum pushing down until it starts to push back up. So what we like to do, we like to combine 2 time frames here at Trading College. You know, we have a combination of 2 time frames. Bigger time frame gives us the direction, smaller time frame gives us that nice precision entry where we can, where we can get that nice risk reward. And this is an incredible risk reward trade here. We started to see the weekly extended, and then we're starting to see these new green buy signals. All we've got to do is look for those green pro trend system buy signals. I think the euro's got a bit more upside to go, but it is on that weekly chart stuck at that 50 period moving average. So, we'll see. We'll see. Maybe a little bit of resistance here. We hit target 149 and 337. Maybe we do get up to 714. We don't always get up to those big targets. So euro dollar's been a really nice 400 pip move. Very easy trade to do. It's following the colours. That's what we do here. We follow the colours at Trading College. Keep it really simple. And let's take a little look at the FTSE 100. Not everyone likes trading the FTSE. I suppose it's pretty much targeted to people here in England, in the UK. But same with this market. Some lovely buy signals. So here's our buy signal right here. Here's our stop placement here. We're just looking for longs. All we're doing is just buying this market, looking for longs until we see a red. And at the moment, it's still green. But if we look left on our chart, and you've always got to look left because left is where resistance and also support is on a chart. You can see here this 7,500. As day traders, we took a little day trade short when it hit that 7,500 because we got some selling signals on the hourly chart. But it's been right up. It's been straight up to 7,500. Next target 7,633. Will we get here? Not quite sure, because if we jump up to that weekly time frame, will we get above those highs? Will we make new highs? Well, this is where our technical analysis comes in. We want to draw some trend lines, support and resistance. Always a good thing to use when you're trading the markets, because even though we're using modern trading systems and strategies, good old-fashioned support and resistance is very much part of the game. And you can see here we're slamming right into a major resistance. So the key is, if we get above this resistance area, it can act as support and we can really build some more foundations for a higher move. But also, we've got the argument that this trend line is an area where we might see some sellers coming in. Well, if there's going to be some selling pressure, all we've got to look at and wait for is a red PTS like it did here, which was a really nice 400 point move. So on the weekly chart, for a longer term trade, this red PTS is what we're looking for. And we will not short this market until On the weekly, we get a red PTS if you're a longer term trader. For our shorter term traders, we're going to be looking for 4-hour red signals, 4-hour daily red signals. Until we get red signals, it really doesn't matter what anybody says about the economy, fundamentals, or whatever. It's bullish, and as long as it stays green, we have nothing else to do besides stay long the market. All right, so keeping it really simple. If you're struggling with trading, maybe a system like this that we've had for many, many years, as you can see, giving us plenty of profits on a regular basis, will be something that will help you with your trading. Not only indices, not only FX, but commodities, and also the cryptocurrencies. And we're starting to see some nice signs that there's going to be some more trading volatility around the crypto market. But you don't need to be trading these high volatile markets. Things like the FTSE here has been incredible. The DAX, the Dow, they've gone straight up. They're still all green. All right, guys. Hope it helps. And I know we've got our Black Friday offer on. I think it's one of the best offers we've ever done. Please check your emails on this, maybe on the YouTube channel here or on our website for that Black Friday offer. Speak to you soon, guys. Happy trading and, of course, profitable trading as well. Good luck. Bye-bye now.